Hey guys, it's Jessie and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a one brand tutorial on Milani Cosmetics, and as always, if you want to see what look I create, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by using the Milani Concealing Perfect Foundation in the color Sand. As you can see, I have used this quite a bit. So I need to literally get some more of this foundation because I can't even pump it out anymore. I have to take the stick out and put it on my face that way. But I really do love this foundation. I kind of have to bounce between the colors 6 and 7 because this is a little too dark. This is number 7. Number 7 is a little too dark and number 6 is a little too light. But I am currently out of number 6, so I'm just going to have to make 7 work at this point. Also, I don't know why I decided that wearing this strapless top was going to be a good idea for this video because it's going to keep falling all down. It's going to keep falling down, but I don't care. I'm going to work with it. Okay, so now that our foundation is done, I'm going to go in with the Milani Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer in the color 03 Medium Light. What makes this concealer kind of cool is it has this little sponge applicator on it. The only thing you have to do is like squeeze it. No! I did it too far. No! I'm gonna just use my finger because holy crap. Maybe I got a bad one or I don't know what I just did, but I didn't think it's gonna be that runny. Jesus Christ. Okay. You never know what you're going to get around here, folks. Oh my god. Okay. So, yeah, like I was saying, I'm just taking this concealer and I'm going to blend it out with my brush a little later, but I'm just going to put it on with my finger for right now just to be on the safe side. What in the world? I cannot believe that just happened. By the way, I'm going to be pulling on my shirt all throughout this video, so just get ready for that. That is too funny. So yeah, I'm just taking my toothbrush again and I am just blending this out under my eye, on my forehead, and down my nose, and on my chin as always. I'm making such great adult decisions today. I'm getting makeup all over my white tassel earrings, but you know what? It's gonna be okay. So next that I'm still laughing. Okay, so now that our concealer is down, I'm gonna go in with this Milani Prep Set and Go translucent powder, and as you can see, it has been well loved. I have hit pan on it, but it's really good. And as always, I will be doing my eyebrows off camera, but I did want to show you guys what product I will be using, and it's the Milani Brow Fix in the color 03. I'm back and my brows are back, and one thing I forgot to say was that Milani little kit was a powder brow set, and I'm normally used to using pomades, but I actually think that I like the way my brows came out, so I may start using powders again. Who knows? And now onto eyes, which is my favorite part. I will be using the Milani Bold Obsessions eyeshadow palette in 02, and it looks like this. And I kind of really want to use this dark blue shadow right here, obviously because I have on my navy blue striped shirt, and I'm just excited to see what look I'm going to create. So I'll be taking this little brown color right here in Sweet as Honey, and I'll be using this as my transition shade. I've got to learn to use softer brush strokes when I am blending out my eyeshadow, because I'm just sitting here doing this and that's not helping anyone. It's definitely not helping my eyes. But do you guys see this foundation? That is why I love it. It sets beautifully. And although we had a little issues with my concealer before, that looks really nice too. It's not too creasy. I really like these shadows so far. This is blending out very nice. I've never used this palette before, but I like the shadows. It's blending out really pretty. There's a legit storm outside. You can hear that. I might just die. Anyway, so now that we have our transition shade down, I'm going to be taking this dark brown color in Brunettes Have Fun. I like that. That's cute. Right here, and I'll be using that same brush, and I'll be popping it into my outer corner. I am probably about to do. Ooh. Hey, that looks really good. I would say I'm about to probably do the most basic, boring brown smoky eye. But hey, if it works, it works. But I really do like this palette. It kind of reminds me of like the Tartelette in Bloom palette, the way it's laid out. But these shadows are blending very nice together. I was not expecting that. Okay, I see you, Milani, come through. Really pretty. Whoa. And now that I have this brown shade down, I'm going to be using this pretty gold shade right here in a gold glitter. And I also will be wetting my brush using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. My shirt keeps falling. Never doing chocolates again. I'm in. Ooh, wow. Ooh. Okay. I'm in a weird mood right now. Oh my god. I love this palette. It is so good. Oh my god. This gold is so pretty. I love it. Oh my god, that is pretty. I'm even one of the most basic looks right now, but sometimes it's okay to go back to basics. Haha, Christina Aguilera. So yes, I am obsessed with this gold color. It is absolutely beautiful. But moving on, I will be using the Milani Stay Put Eyeliner in 02 Stay with Slate, and I will be lining my waterline. Normally I don't line my eye with a dark pencil because it makes my eyes look very small, but today I think the look that I want to do requires it, so that's why I am putting it down. So next we'll be taking this dark blue shadow, like I said before, in Smoke Signals. That is a cute name. In Smoke Signals right here, and I will be dragging that all under my under eye. I am so happy that I decided to take that eyeliner and put it down because it looks really good with this blue. I'm just taking this blue shadow and just dragging it slowly across my under eye. It does have glitter in it, but it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad, so yeah. It looks really good. So far, I'm in love with this palette and these colors. Oh my god, it's so good. So yeah, that blue is super pretty under my eyes. Oh my goodness, I love it. So next I'll be taking the Milani Lash Trifecta Mascara, and I'll be putting this on my upper lashes and my bottom lashes as well. I want to know how many times throughout this video I have said I love this, but again, I love this mascara. I've said multiple times I have baby lashes, and it just gives my lashes so much length and volume. I love it so much. So I'm going to let that mascara finish drying, and then I will pop on some lashes. But in the meantime, I will be using the Milani Powder Foundation in the color Warm Toffee. It's a little darker than me, but I will be using it to bronze my face. Remember this big fluffy Sonia Kashuk brush? I will be using this again to bronze my face. It is my favorite bronzer brush of all time. It works so well. You see? Perfect. I don't know what is happening outside. It looks like a storm is gonna come, but I hope I finish this video before that, because the the lights are flickering. That's not good. So I said I was going to put some lashes on, but I may just actually go ahead and put some blush on while I'm at it. And we're going to be taking the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Remember when everyone was obsessed over this blush? Because I do. So now I'm back with the lashes on, and next I'll be using the Milani Highlight Trio, and I'll be using the colors Otherworldly, which is a gold shade, and Unicorn Dreams, which is the pink shade. I'll be mixing those together and I'll be popping that on my cheeks. I feel like as we're going forward in time, I remember like in 2016, everybody wanted this big beaming highlight. I kind of feel like that makeup is getting away from that a little bit, and we're going into more subtle highlights, but I still like a bright beaming highlight. So yeah, that's just me. What do you guys think? And next are the lips, and I'll be taking the Milani Liquid Lipstick in the color Loved. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. All in all, I really love Milani as a drugstore brand. I love the eyeshadow palette. I love the look that I created. And yeah, if you like me, if you like my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. You got to let it go.